In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Instagram data into Looker Studio using partner connectors so you can build dashboards and keep your reporting in one place. Start on your Looker Studio dashboard. At the top left, you'll see a plus icon. Click that and choose Data Source. This is where you add new connections that feed data into your reports. Think of a data source as the bridge between Looker Studio and the platform you want to analyze. In the search bar, type Instagram. Under the Partner Connectors section, you'll see a list of third-party connectors. These are trusted services that provide the link between Instagram and Looker Studio through Instagram's official APIs. Each connector might offer slightly different metrics, dimensions, historical lookback windows, and pricing, so take a moment to read their descriptions. Look for details like whether they support Instagram business or creator accounts, what types of data they include, and any limits or costs. This quick review helps you pick the connector that best fits your reporting needs. Once you've chosen a connector, select it and click Authorize. The connector will guide you through its specific setup flow. Typically, you'll be prompted to sign in and grant permissions so the connector can access the Instagram data you want to report on. Many connectors use the Instagram Graph API, which may require you to authenticate through your Facebook account and then choose the correct Instagram business or creator account. Grant only the permissions needed for reporting and make sure you have the right level of access on the account you're connecting. If two-factor authentication is enabled, have your verification method handy. It's also a good idea to review the connector's privacy policy and note any trial periods or billing terms before you proceed. After you authorize and complete the connector's prompts, Looker Studio will establish the data source and show you the available fields. From here, your Instagram data is ready to be used in your reports and dashboards. You can rename the data source for clarity and start building visualizations that reflect the metrics you care about most. And there you go. That's all you need to connect Instagram to Looker Studio. To recap, open a new data source, search for Instagram, choose a partner connector, click Authorize, and follow the connector's instructions. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double-check your account permissions and the connector's setup notes, then try again.